Realme C35. The best budget phone 2022. Crisp, colorful display. While the likes of OnePlus and Xiaomi have been grabbing a lot of attention in 2022, rival Chinese brand Realme has quietly been having a bit of a stormer. The Realme 9 Pro Plus is one of the best mid-range phones on the market, while the Realme GT2 Pro has made quite a splash further up the market. Now the Realme C35 is here to try and disrupt the budget phone sector in a similar fashion along with the even cheaper Realme C31. While it's entering a perilously low-margin sector, I reckon it's in with a strong shot of standing out from the crowd. If you only have £150 to spend on a phone, you'll struggle to do better. Design and build. Attractive design. 8.1mm. 189G. Like a lot of 2022 budget phones, the Realme C35 design broadly emulates the latest iPhones. The influence is right there in the phone's flat rim, sharp corners, shiny glass effect, though decidedly plastic, rear, and clear stepped camera module. Screen. 6.6 inches LCD IPS. Full HD+. 60 Hz. The Realme C35's display is a pleasant surprise. On paper, it doesn't seem like much at all. It's quite big at 6.6 inches, but it's only an IPS LCD rather than a color-rich OLED. Specs and performance. Unisoc Tiger T616 processor. 4/6 GB RAM. 64/128 GB storage. The Realme C35 runs on a Unisoc Tiger T616 processor. This is far from the most impressive chip, made using a dated 12nm production process. It's backed by either 4 or 6 GB of RAM, although in the UK you can only get the lower amount. Cameras. 50MP main camera. 2MP macro. 0.3MP depth sensor. 8MP selfie camera. If there's one area where you can guarantee a high level of compromise with cheaper phones, it's photography. However, Realme has equipped the C35 with something respectable. Battery life and charging. 5000 mAh. 18W charging. Adapter included. The Realme C35's battery performance is solid, but it doesn't quite stand up to its rivals. You get a 5000 mAh cell, which is a decent size, and it'll get you through a full day of moderate usage with relative ease. Software. Android 11. Realme UI R Edition. Realme's UI R Edition is a fairly bog-standard custom Android UI set on top of Android 11. Its notifications and custom apps aren't too obtrusive, but it's not as lightweight or clean as the near-stock UIs of the Moto G22 and Nokia G21. Price and availability. Prices start from £149 for a model with 64 GB of storage. You can double that storage for a small bump up to £169. You can buy it from the Realme store as well as retailers such as Amazon, eBay and Laptops Direct. It's not officially available in the US, but you can find a GSM model on Amazon for around the $200 mark. Realme C35 specs. Android 11. 6.6 inches, FHD+, IPS LCD, 60 Hz, flat display. Side-mounted fingerprint sensor. Unisoc Tiger T616. 4/6 GB LPDDR4 RAM. 64/128 GB storage. 50MP f/1.8 main camera. 2MP f/2.4 macro camera. 0.3MP f/2.8 depth sensor. Up to 1080p at 30 frames per second rear video. 8MP front-facing camera. Dual SIM. Wi-Fi 802.11/b/g/n/ac. Bluetooth 5.0. 5000 mAh battery. 18W charging. 164.4 by 75.6 by 8.1mm. 189G. Launch colors: glowing black, glowing green.